share this video. Don Prince, since I call your name correct today. Sam, if I tell you say video we do today, if I tell you say I be the happiest woman. But you pay me. Now I no gay. Now what may carry this video, not be you. But I so much thank God. I beg. I no want me no get look that video. I beg all this record where you play for your live video. I beg forward down. Go give a no gay. Lao. Lao I think one of me. On where we are. I dey like you. You know what I like you for what you do today. Don Prince, I love you. I swear I'm not vex for you. Before I share that video, when I share that video, DJ God, come when I go sit down. No gay, don't talk. When I tell you I say my papa not take care of me, nobody believe me for this social media. Oh, you just say you do that video to saga me? No, my brother. If not so the truth want to come out, glory be to God. I am happy. Don Prince Lagogo. They yafo. When they insult my parents for this social media, but nobody believe me. Now I'm gonna go watch Don Prince. And look, I supposed to carry this video. And look, don't get saga. And okay, now you are one to carry this video. Hey, Don Prince, what that man now? What wait you what? Don't man my bone, but you're begging. Oh, okay, maybe a platform may not gay. Now you do this one. What I'll pay you? When they cry for this social media. So bad picking. You when they insult your papa. Well, okay, don't go ahead. I said don't go. Don't get we. DJ God, who don't have me honor? You the year now. Say my papa not pay school fees. Even what anything what I do, he not pay. Oh, Don Prince, you had the one. Don Prince, me I want to go and web on now. And I saga, like you quoted the old words, say yes, everything why they talk for my platform concerning my parents, all na truth. The reason why I don't want to give, I don't said there again. Don Prince la go. Wahala be say, gila de la di say, ne no gay, ni ado dami o, e no do when ye we say saga Where's the saga Don Prince in the video now? My God! When are they shots? When are they talk? A mother not a bonnet, a mother not a bonnet, a mother no one now, and the night you will now. God never they disgrace them now. I think that the man where I born for, all the television now, I think not go believe me now. When they cry for this social media, say my parents not take care of me. Una not believe me. Don Prince not they play video. Don Prince not they play video. And DJ go say we have forget 10 million. We have 10 million. Very soon. Oh yeah, lads. If not so all these secrets what they boss. Don Prince la me I go help you share. What you go help me they do now? If they do live video, they tag me. So that my quick they see you, my they share. No get it, the reason why I don't want my parents enter my ass. Now be that one. They should be. No, we dey come for that side. We dey come for that side. Wait, we dey come for that side. Many things they want to talk, but I want to thank God. Say, God, don't they hear my prayer? My parents, they suffer me. I say, my mama, my papa go start like this. He goes, make I ask mama.
Yeah, my people, I greet the hustle. I greet everybody. Is about to go down. I beg, as now just they come, when let me share this video, I beg. Now, Sammy, so this saga, why they do so, now to correct this small girl, this Ese talk show, this girl, she doesn't know what she's doing. Becky, love, I see you. Solomon, God bless you. I see you now, not too much. See, now see this girl, so Ese talk show. I want to see. I want to use my saga to correct you. You understand me? So because you dey come out, you dey come out for points. So you now human trafficking. Now put you for house arrest. If you are done or winning, if you are winning, when Don Prince Ese me tamawe, obey when to ye go. Iman ye gbele paladia. Iman yame. People they beg me. People they beg me. Obey when to ye go. Uwe ni ya go me. People they beg me say Don Prince. You know but again now, that means una they support this girl if they destroy. They say she get mental problem. Which should be mental problem? Which should be mental problem? He godfather now pretend say no the see. Only Baba pretending here. Only may share video since family days you know. So I want to give her sense. On me tineme one. Now this girl be. Una we be bini. Now know the meaning of on me tineme one. Bona share me out. Share me out. Una know the meaning of on me tineme one. Now we be bini, I believe say una will know the meaning of now this girl be. Person will get power, we not get sense. Baba. So Ese talk show. You see the saga I want follow you do this period there. I want to use and teach you sense. So that make you get sense. No, you guys do a little more zoo. Almost have frustrated you. Almost will move where you are frustrated with social media. Now they don't they beat you since how many days now? Almost will pretend say no see. Almost will never share your video again since then. But if you they support the Muslim, they fight everybody will not find you. Almost will they share your video. Now where the your pekus everything want fall out. Almost will pretend say no see. They listen to me Ese talk show. Ugbe say social media now. Wanibu uwa mwere regboto. Uwa mwere regbikoba. Ege no gebe ya mwere regbiko bagberane. Ogberane ege nati has supporte Monica zombie support. Oni ati zombie support. Ega ulele Monica zombie. Waso with social media zombie support. Almost o share video we see to say waso again na yo wa isu no o pretend e ma beg o ye for me no more Eurota only like part 50 no more Eurota. Things they play my people, things they play. Say no mess you if now almost if for don't post children. You see I still get pity man. If now almost will get wetin me get for Ese talk show, almost will you go don bulala everywhere. And Don Prince Ese, I still get conscience. I be person will get conscience. I know how many of my real fans where they bless me self. Don't tell me say Don Prince said they go. I not send that give anybody. I never share the video. I never share that. Everything they with me. Make us with me ya go. So please continue to share the video. Anytime you see this video, please help me to share. Make another person for see what the happen here. It's about to go down. So before we start, there are so many records. The girl where this girl carry come abroad, we put her for prison. Everything day. Now you think say Igbo put her for prison. Not be Igbo put her for prison. If na Igbo put her for prison, she for don't come and since. So she had the brainwash and say na Igbo mark na lie, na human trafficking. Na girl where she carry come abroad, I put her for prison. Then she can't swear for the lie. It don't prison already now. May Ese talk show can't swear. If not be girl where she carry come abroad, put her for prison. When she take their arrest for how many years so. If una suppose know say na human trafficking, now they take for us arrest like this. What man? Una know all these people that they use lie, they brainwash all of una. Yeah, what brainwash you what? Don Prince wey go dey tell na truth. Come on to share Don Prince video. You go dey pepper una for body. Come on to share Don Prince video. Wey be some how they give me 1 naira. How they give una better update. Wey be clear. Una see say this girl dey platform na dey thank Don Prince. Say Don Prince we say. Una see they use love. They finish me. Man, they say Benin people, Edo people, una love Don Prince. Even though so if I dey see the one until they give me engagement, I will know so una love me, not be pretending. Because in life, you know if they destroy every time you continue to destroy. This girl and the godfather, they have been destroying in a cyber space. All of them know. All of them know say they have been destroying in a cyber space for a very long time. Now they hear me. They have been destroying in a cyber space. Now they hear me so. And a mumu godfather. A godfather no whole war. Godfather no say we are in bondage. You are in bondage now. Your godfather pretends to not see you. Oh God. That make me. But a godfather no whole war. Now she will come to call. I make me no one right time for this my platform today's show. Why you take right 5 something all of the upper con life. Yeah, also about to tell you. Who there you? Yeah, you have a laugh. See everybody for laugh. Everybody all the laugh. You say echo better. You don't reach 4 video echo better. Don't do 6. Echo better. You know what me are fans. Nia wazin. Or to le ladien. Next time for one come out to the right time. I know the right time. Echo better. Once you say right time, you run come out. Me fast not for come watch me. You forget say. All those fans, all those ones they jump up and down. Nowhere they know they go. You cannot hold them. better. You cannot hold them. Not be lie. You know if you hold those your fans, they will constantly watch Don Prince. If they don't watch Don Prince, they don't feel they okay for life. You don't know. Okay, let's kick up. If they don't watch Don Prince, I don't want every day. They must go watch Don Prince. See. He don't do more than 3 videos. So when you hear say Don Prince won't come out, he won't come out. The fear of Don Prince. The fear of Don Prince. Go see a call better for life. How many videos you don't do this morning? What for? I should maybe this one be 4 live video we don't do this morning. What for? Why is it a lot of lori? That make una say for this social media. Now so their life. Now full everywhere where they play because too much of video every day you must lie. You know if you do 4 or 5 video for one day where you know lie, you must pull lie full everywhere. Now this lady now Zanzan this this lady Sandra Wagbawa. This lady, this DJ wife. Ote wagbese wa. DJ wife. Ote wagbese wa. Omo. Things there. So my people, before we start to the play, yeah, love, I see you. I greet you special. Please, more than me the share and not too much. So before we play the way this girl do human trafficking, when they take put her for house arrest, many matter deal. Before your husband, the ex-husband still can talk. Anything is there. But if they pay me say, Omozuo. He abandon. He abandon this period. That this period he be need Omozuo. Even this guy talking life story. He put Mama Kevin picture. Me Omozuo for Sia. Omozuo say no Sia. I pretend. Omozuo say no Sia. Oh no wazuo. Omozuo. You egbe. Oh na. Again azuo gbegbe so. How again azuo gbegbe Kevin. Again azuo gbegbe so. Not be your goddaughter, not be you spoiler. The girl they zuo. Now depression. What's your depression, Because you made the girl they insult to no insult her. You know many people that get don't insult for this social media when not even find her because they fight for you or Mozuo. You pretend say you don't see her. Or I don't want anybody to distract me. I'm no more Europe tour. I don't want anybody to distract me. But they know what? What may mean anything? What may mean anything? I never see anything. You don't want anybody to distract you. Who? Uwe ho wa mozo. Ye kevi. Again I'm we picture we ladian. So that the mozo make na beg no dey for rescue. Amozo mazeyo. Amozo mazeyo. Even the video where this guy talk a life story, where Mozo supposed to play or tell people say, this guy he passed from a lot of things or maybe Mozo not plan. I mean what they plan they give on now. What they say? Now a life story now what they hear so. I'm not listening to a life story. I'm not listening to a life story.
My papa go start like this. He go say make I ask my mama who born me. Don Prince la. For this one, I go be your friend. Now go. I don't go see you.
You'll be my friend.
I don't go see you. They tag me. I tag you when you go we ask you.
Well, me anything.
Me the whole world see and say my parents not care for me. I told Peggy now. Now make it the same they want to talk loud. Now make it the same they want to talk loud. People say they just I want to get view. People say they don't want to famous. But God now thought they do everything in a miracle.
I'm also not man now. I'm not saying
in a miracle.
But again, now he has been an eban. He go to use power. Everything they fight for Mozo. They fight for Mozo. Mozo abandon now.
But God, don't they expose it. My papa go and no get plan for na ya atala okay. Ona ya atale no makeke lo da. Ona re magiyo. We dey no get na donate go na. But today o call. Not because God they expose everything today now. Not be God, God they expose everything now. Did you go? Where did you go? Don Prince la go. Be la. Be na bo. Atuku wan na manika. We nyo pay e na me. Ask an allen so. Me, I never born for Ramo. La strong go for myself. Many years like when boy, my papa taught you for that one. He said, when I enter abroad, he said, no. No, zozo. Here, what baby, if you want bonito success. No, zozo. Tell me wetin my papa talk the man wey I born for wetin he talk Don Prince no be lie. Ogele I want a one no. Ira maze school fees. Yonga azoy. Iga adawo o majaje wona wi ya na view. But ima ye go ni. Ira me. Iya jale kuwe. Yi be sebebo na bi asandi go ginya. E de na ibo ya na bi meyo. And not push it here. Yeah, many push it here. But the money I give Mure, all of the money problem. Nijena.
Okay.
This is a
Babel here tell what now. Or one near Mure. Another muye problem. That means the gay way in family introduce her. May he carry go abroad. Now I put her for prison. One of the listing you the prison real life. And I be a car. It the prison real life. Man, they use me the play oh. Because I tell you, I say, na me be anti-presenter. Anti-presenter. Igbe mane, a presenter gbe. A presenter gbe. Mokbelian. They are too much. So now, when I say, now listen to us. Now when they talk, say, na Igbo, na put her for house arrest. Or, na market. Not be market. Na human trafficking. Hello? They are not hearing me. Human trafficking. When are they listening?
Aibo, ya na be meyo, e na push it here. Yeah, many push it here. But the money I give Mure, all of the money problem. Nijena, Don Prince. This is I call you now, not call you Don Momo because I want to respect you. No, na go banera. Only Gualola Gumia be la wo. Wa Gumia be imawo we ne problem. It's a go but oh the jeme we no gay or keke no be we don't know me. The platform where my papa forgot talk. The platform where my papa forgot talk. Now what make this voice no go? And no gay. Me kekela will go. They say gay no gay. You understand me now?
A godfather work me ah. No gay no. That means no gay. You know say no gay big pass your godfather. Also wanna walk. Also wanna walk saga video. Okay, you don't confirm and say no gay big pass your godfather. When he got that Ogbase Godfather, who will pretend his name? You are pretending. I say, why you dey pretend? When you know say no get big pass your Godfather. Okay, why you call they pretend now? We are go pretend. A man wait we make your Godfather plan. When they no get plan, may no get plan. Beg boy. To show where you are your Godfather way. Oh, when the Monica very avec akikoya we nek be, the Godfather we away we nek be. When the Monica lo ava kiko, ya we nek be. On ne wu ya won ni san ya won. Ere Godfather we, ere obi we. But he pay me say, on a do large avere do agwe. Dominikia. He say me that one not the support money can get. We matter mono na no we wa muria. We na the same thing where they worry this one. Now they worry Dominion. Umata. Say na the way they spoil this one. That's so they spoil Dominion. Dominikia toshu. You not talking because you want support only your own. You say me that. We know people where they spoil for this those about space. But I'm na muria. Ni ho ni we not get shame. We know people will not get shame. We know people will not get shame. We be saying ho. When I continue to the list to them. Your old Godfather, you know if he call and say you know soon have support me. Yeah, ban on me. If I come on this thing where this thing where I take over a breast now, everything they ground. This thing will be like lipstick where I put for take over a breast. If I come out time, you'll see say enweye lagbalagbagoto. Enweye lagbalagbagoto. Diana Uni, God bless you. What are the listing? Please share this video, please. Please, if you know you are with me, share this video. Help me to share and give me love and like. Why share it? Why you beg? You are enjoying the video, you are not sharing. It might make sense. For those on where they share my video, now God will bless you now. I'm gonna continue to share and listen to this woman.
For the man where I born for. Now tomorrow I go, man they use English talk. So that they know the year Bini, make I use English talk, make the man the year. You understand? Papa Samuel, if you not talk truth, the Ojuju will kill your senior sister. Where go thief your husband money, he not told truth. Say he thief your husband money. Your husband called the suspect say na neighbor na thiefer. He can't go swallow juju where do na village. As your sister want born, he can't die with the pikin. You understand? He can't die. Your sister can't die. Your husband na killer. Not your husband killer. Your sister can't thief. He not agree for your husband say na him thief. The husband can't go swear for both day. Because I tell you, say Ojuju where that place is too strong. It's too strong for Amuchi. You understand? So when his husband called the suspect in neighbor, say na his neighbor na take the money. Knowing to say na his wife na take the money. You understand? As he want his sister, the man what I born for, as his sister want come born. He can't die. Papa Samuel, if you know what may die like that, tell her the truth. You understand? Tomorrow, I go bring Igenegbe Bishop come outside. I go bring Vincent Bishop. I go bring them come outside. I go see bring Papa Emmanuel Bishop. I go bring them come outside. You know what I'm saying? That 3 people, I go bring that Bishop. You know where they go. You understand? Now, that people. That man where can't talk for there, so yes, now born for that my S. You understand me? So
now say the picture where I carry come out yesterday, I not lie. Say now he confirm and I say now the man he born for. Now say I confirm. Now the listing.
It make me come up for the marriage is abuse. Abusing marriage. Abuse. We will be Bini with the forbid.
See, you know why many women they always they pull life for men head, mostly for Europe. You understand me? So many women they sense to they get emotional blackmail. After if they don't fuck up for their man, they call the blackmail the man, say the man they abuse them, and so the man do this one. They know will talk the evil way that they do. I don't know why women they always they do that thing. If you come Europe now, you will see so many single mother everywhere. None of them will tell you say they made mistake. Now the men, all of them they complain. No single mother will tell you say see where you for wrong. No single mother will come out now say I wrong go. All of them they claim rights. Imagine woman we get first single mother, first single father, second single father, third single father, fourth single father. You go see they claim rights. Now this Europe will the same. And many for women and women, when I see they take it easy. Now to they claim rights. Any woman will feel saying too wise. Now they be single mother. Those who will be like say they lawyer for their husband. Now they enjoy men. Now they call them mugu. They say they be mugu. Or mafia. Those women when I say no fear. Now they husbands. Una way say wise. Most women when they say they're wise today. Now many na single mother. I don't put out of my talker. Many na single mother. So this girl now they want blackmail the man. If you now see what this man don't do. Upon no say this girl see a bro boof that man. Never they say the man take this girl 2 children. He take care of them. If you see the way the first one they speak English. The first one, the man say this girl now so fight. Now she the fight with the Nigeria. And the same fight. Now see the fight to abroad so. The same fight. Now the fight. Now he want to blackmail all of them. Say it was abusive marriage. So that mother for feel pity for her. This is what women, that's what women they do. Mother for feel pity for her. It was abusive marriage. Abusive marriage. Even the man where they say they for us now, so fighting and that one they fight for us. The man where they with her for us now so fight. All the men where they Europe, no one at the top say good. All the men where they Europe, no one at the top say good. At least when I see they talk say it gave you for fuck up. Most women fuck up when they take be single mother today, but they not talk truth. You understand this? So most women go see a better platform. 90% are single mothers when they follow a better. So most single mother today they fuck up. They don't want to tell the truth. Say they fuck up. That make you see say many women for abroad. If they don't cross 50 to, if they don't cross to 50 to 60 years. They'll call the cool down. They'll call the cool down like say they be better person. Go and check all the mama away for Europe. All of them don't lawyer. Go and check all the mama where don't 60 years or abroad. Where still they Europe. All of them don't cool down. Because they know say don't gog. Go and check if I'm lying. Any woman where don't 60 years or abroad. They know they cool down. They don't cool down. Because they know say if he fuck up, nobody go carry. So any man where they get, they the lawyer. That make you see say Mama Kevin lawyer. Mama Kevin lawyer die. Because he's close to 60 years. Mama Kevin is close to 60 years. So if you're not lawyer now, I want a lawyer again. This is what they are doing. They have to lawyer. But you tell me they will tell lawyer when they're young age. When they for say enjoy their husband, they're not going to lawyer, though they prove rights. Before you know, some of them who call police for their husband. One I know say for Nigeria, any woman, any even person will call police or person enemy for life. Person will call police or person, come on, not be your family or call police or you, is your life enemy. I must say your wife will call police or your husband. It many for Europe, they look at like normal. They look at like normal thing. So if you did that category, you have to change. If you know say you did that category, you have to change. Otherwise, if you don't reach 60 years, you'll come be like, you'll come cold like cold water. I mean, be Don Prince, I will tell you the truth. If you don't like, you follow me. Or if you like, not follow me. I will only tell you the truth. Only the truth shall set you free. I will only tell you the truth. You know, you go pay me, say, you tell we supposed to lawyer. May you enjoy your man. You're not lawyer, you drive the better man. You go use boyfriend to do husband. You tell when you want to enjoy the man, the man start to the gog you. You can't say, oh men are bad. Oh men are bad. My sister taught truth. Your way clear. When I listen to this girl. When I last story now 1 year. So when are they listening?
Although
last story.
for their own for both there. Then
our own life story we never talk for life before. Now Don Prince make am talk am. The life story where she never talk for her life before. How everything they play, the way she born, everything. I'm not listen to her now. Don Prince, I make her talk am. Easy. Almost was not fear me. He the craze. Almost was going to be you know, he the craze. You know, no say I pass on. Now to they spoil that one they do. Me no they spoil, I they repair. Now they hear me so. Me no they spoil. And if I want spoil, very easy to spoil. Very easy. Like all this one they say, no more Europe. If me want to join them, not be who will spoil pass. But I know if you use my social media, they spoil. I go use and repair. You see this girl, so I go repair her. And if this girl not stop to the saga the DJ with the honesty, if you not leave that family alone, I me go bust the nakedness out of this social media. You dey hear me so? Ese talk show. Listen to me now. If you not stop to the bully those family, where they Amsti, DJ Chris and his wife. If you not leave that family alone, if you not leave them alone, your shame will be everlasting disgrace on this social media. The way that they sample your godfather, Bola, that's how they sample your old go. Now maybe Don Prince. Not be like they tell you, that's how they sample your old go. I be one man open this breast, may they say I say not be play a day. Maybe say I say one bread long pass one. May I open up for them, may they see say this one where I cover so say na full breast they grand. Who is why I see? I say I reject boy. They listen to me, oh, I know they follow you do saga, oh. My saga, they use a position is make get sense. You don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. Your whole life story now you talk so. Your godfather not share the video. He's here, he pretends he not see her. Upon not say you put his wife, a woman, you still put the picture. Oh, now we on my bag. But make it business now you the joy fact just now. You can't share your video. One of the fool na say. What fool like boy? What fool like boy? They listen. I never see one they say Frank or Mozuo go come carry your matter. You come they support you, say they fight for you. Now let you the fight for her. Nowhere. I never see one day Monica go come they fight for Akiko or what you call her? Dominicia. Mommy, let Lord live. God bless you. I see you, mama. For this social media, you don't ever see say Monica come they fight for Dominicia or come they fight for Akiko. He can never do it because he knows say they not get sense. I don't whole war. Not ever see her. You don't ever see her. Me where they talk now. Come on to share this video, self. They not will share. We know now. Oh yeah.
They forbid anything. You understand? They know they forbid anything. So me, as a Bini woman, I they forbid. You understand me? So when you make me come out for I not say come out though, but when you make me come, I not even come out self. I not even come out. How they take carry picky from my hand? If Papa Simon not go talk am, the juju way they on our village, the way they kill your sister, now I go kill you. I don't fucking care. You understand? Now go swear, you know so that on juju.
Now the ex-husband, now be Papa Samuel. Now in the saw so. Now I bring the Papa Samuel, come on and see him. The man way in the saw so. Now I bring her for the money see him. Papa Samuel, yeah we. Okay. Now this one be Papa Samuel. This man so now he born 2 children for. Now this man in the insult so. Who are the listing?
Where down a village on winner, now kill your senior sister. Wait if he husband money. You understand? Now that the sell juju now go swear give you if you not tell them the truth. As they wash me so, you have to call her again. Make you tell her waiting Papa and Ma, Igine back and Vincent do what make me tired for the marriage. When I not look back before I come out. The reason why I dey fight your brother Day and night, you need to call this guy out. Else, no, allow me bring Ige Bishop. No, allow me bring Vincent Bishop. Now allow me bring Papa Emma Bishop. Now let me bring the comato. Better tell the truth. But the priest, for what you do so, God will bless you. But now I know you have been want me carry this video. And no gay, now I be want me carry this video. My papa not do anything. Oh, now you have a platform around me. Hey, yeah, okay, God, no. Do you think this man just talk so? Now, truth, I not go lie. No, Papa Samuel. If you don't want me, I not go swear with you with on a village. Tell the man waiting your brother. Papa Ima. Papa Ima. Vincent and Ige waiting they do me. If you not taka, if any problem yo. A problem you have problem go there, the man they speak English. You understand me so? If you not tell them, problem go there. My people, I dare ask me and this idiot, Papa Samuel, with the eat that day now beans and rice and jollof rice and me cook am. With the eat with my children, although that be my children, you understand? With the eat like this, as she say, you know, Papa Samuel not tell me. Papa Samuel not tell me say he brother Aminu where they village they call Lagos. He not tell me one day. Me and he eat. He brother for village they come for village. He brother come Lagos. He come spend 1 month for Lagos. As Aminu, he brother want come out go village. Papa Samuel call me. He say my children want follow his brother go village. Ah! Now I say for what? For what? He said they want go do age group because the guy in a tradition you must know your age group for village. That is, you will know your mate for village. Now what did Papa Samuel tell me? Now I say okay.
May I quick play? My people.
Nice up.
May you shut up. May I quick play Papa Samuel one record or Papa Samuel? May I quick play one record? Please, if you know you are still watching, say hi. I don't see anybody. Please, if you know you are still watching, you are with me here, please say hi. May I see whether people see the here. I don't see anybody. Please, if you know you are still here watching me, say hi. Hello, they are not hearing me. If you know you are still here watching, say hi. Hello. If you know you are still here watching, say hi. I want to release one record of Papa Samuel. I want to listen to Papa Samuel. They know they hear me. Hello. Una know they hear me. If you know you are still watching, say hi. Now only Precious I dey see here. I'm seeing Precious. And who again? Diamond. I want to release one record now. Mona. Yeah, boy. What here? Ese talk show. I want to release your ex-husband record, do. May you see what your ex-husband talk. Many days. Hey. Okay. So people are here. Okay. So Mona, let me share this video. I beg. One love. Mona, listen to her ex-husband. Mona, listen to what she talk. What he talk. Okay, let's go.
Mommy Samuel will send 30,000 naira call to his children. He go work receipt. Mommy Samuel will send 10,000 for his children. He go work the name and your father name to come and read and thank her. Do you know how much they used to go?
My people, who they talk so? Papa Samuel. Who be Papa Samuel? This man what I put for here so now Ese talk show born 2 children for Nigeria. I don't want to bring the children come out again. Now they hear me so. This Ese talk show so. This man that they call Papa Samuel. Somebody write Papa Samuel. Yeah, my boy, yo. Please, if you are still watching me, can somebody write Papa Samuel? Write Papa Samuel there. So now Papa Samuel they talk so. Hello, they are not hearing me. So Papa Samuel want to talk. Please, if you are there, let me to write Papa Samuel. Okay, let's go. You might be Papa Samuel. Yo. Papa Samuel, please, where my lovers? My lovers, let me see my active fans. My active followers. Let me see you now. Papa Samuel. Oh, precious. This precious is blessing one of my active followers. Active fans. Oh, more too cute. Okay, let's go.
Mommy Samuel will send 30,000 naira court to his children. He go want receipts.
Who be Mommy Samuel?
Mommy Samuel.
Now this woman, now they call Mama Samuel. This one way breast they grass so. This say touch way breast full grass so. Now they call Mama Samuel. Somebody write Mama Samuel. So that maybe people they know so now two of them will they talk to. Mama Samuel. Now they hear me so. This one way breast they grass so. Now they call Mama Samuel. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, they don't hear me. Hello, they are not hearing me.
Mommy Samuel will send 30,000 naira court to his children. He go want receipts. Mommy Samuel will send 10,000 for his children. He go want the name and your father name to come and read that tanker. Do you know when they used to go pot of soup in Lagos now? No, if you don't owe 15,000 to 20,000, your food will not ready. Let's just forget about that. I keep praying for her. I keep praying for her. It's the mother of my children. I keep praying for her. I didn't talk anything about her. If I want to wake up, Mama Samuel. I have everything about her. But I just forget that because I didn't care. I didn't care for a property or the money that he have or whether person exists. I didn't know because the person that the husband that he married before, he know as something they live. Forget say Mama Samuel a bitter.
Now you already talk. He say if he want wicked Mama Samuel, he get many things to take wicked down. The mass even they pray for him, may he succeed. I bet Mona you share take pepper or muzzle. Mona share this video. Mona muzzle no say we pass down. If you know say be real a dope person, you be my fans. I bet Mona you share take pepper or muzzle. You may know say we too pass them. All those evil presenter with this poor Bini. Mona you share pepper them. Like, love and like, please. So that men I know say will not be their mates. Wow, we see. Okay. Papa Samuel. My fans want to listen well. Oh yeah, may I start again. Okay, Mona listing.
Mommy Samuel will send 30,000 naira court to his children. He go want receipts. Mommy Samuel will send 10,000 for his children. He go want the name and your father name to come and read that tanker. Do you know how they used to go pot of soup in Lagos now? No, if you don't owe 15,000 to 20,000, your food will not ready. Let's just forget about that. I keep praying for her. I keep praying for her. It's the mother of my children. I keep praying for her. I didn't talk anything about her. If I want to, we come Mama Samuel. I have everything about her. But I just forget that because I didn't care. I didn't care for a property or the money that he have or whether person exists. I didn't know because the person that the husband that he married before, he know as something they live. Forget say Mama Samuel a bitter, always bitter. Person that brought me abroad to Lagos, he want to carry my leg to outside the place that I want to reach. Every day that I went to work, this woman will fight. I will meet her in police station. Sometimes I will meet her in.
Now they hear this matter so. He say if he go to work, before he come back, now police station he'll go see himself. As Mama Samuel must fight, police will come arrest her. They'll go police station. One of the list away.
Aside, the place that I want to reach. Every day that I went to work, this woman will fight. I will meet her in police station. Sometimes I will meet her in the man that hold the area place because of Mama Samuel. No tenant that is matter my house, the woman did not fight with.
He say no tenant for years where Mama Samuel never fight with. On never know her. Omeme noa. Omozu. Omeme we kokowe we bo. Omeme we ya omozu. We ya we asaresa abi ati e godota. When are they listening?
The Aramires, you know Aramires. That's why I tell her, say, if she go where you want, go to the area place because of my standpoint. No tenant that is matter my house, the woman did not fight with. The Aramires, you know Aramires. That's why I tell her, say, if she go where you want, anywhere you want to go, let it live my life. As he leave me, I pack my children away. If I'm a bad father, I will not leave the children for the family. But I did leave it in my mother. I did leave it for a mother. I pack my property away. That's why I carry that around.
Now, yeah, he say when this man start to the fool herself, don't come on about. Now he go pack his children. He not leave her for anybody. He not leave her for mama, some grandmother. He not leave her for your mama. He pack they go they take care of them. Sometimes he go mona take care of our children. I go play the children voice record. Mona see the English where the children they speak. The man try. But mama Samuel will call live video. He will call his sultan. He will call his sultan here because why? Not be women. Not be sort men where. Men not get used to one a day. Now how men they fuck up. Women not they fuck up at all. Now so men that they fuck up. Not they listening.
The Aramires, you know Aramires. That's why I tell her, say, if she go where you want, anywhere you want to go, let it live my life. As he leave me, I pack my children away. If I'm a bad father, I will not leave the children for the family. But I did leave it in my mother. I did leave it for a mother. I pack my property away. That's why I carry that around. The one that is the last baby now, he said Jesus 2 now. He want to promote to Jesus 3. Guys. And I'm sick that
God. If you write any bad comment here, I will block your nyash. Not be play. If you know say you know if you watch, just if you find a wrong go. I not beg you me you can watch you. So if you want write any bad comment, get out of mess now. Today you watch me rich. I must block you. Now they some of now they support batting. Some of now they support batting with your fake account. They never they see you for inside. Man, I see say you write any batting here. Cannot block your head.
Children for the family. But I did leave it in my mother. I did leave it for a mother. I pack my property away. That's why I carry that around. The one that is the last baby now, he said Jesus 2 now. He want to promote to Jesus 3. Guys, and I'm sick that God. God is going on. No one has ready for them. You know how much I spent for them.
My people, that one I want. We say more go to that one now. We know the Russian. See Peking. If I say my play one of the Peking, I'm gonna see. Peking get good.
She will take me to church so that we can pray together. So we started going to church together. So sometimes I know the girl family. Understand? The girl grandma, mother.
Una see the boy voice. This is the first song. When I say the boy they speak, I'm gonna get patient. I will play for now. Before we play the boy, we'll go straight to my mouth first. Now they hear me so? We'll play my mouth first. Many things day. He said, Don Prince, how you take see Papa Samuel? Hey, Don Prince Akana. I take see Papa Samuel. No worry, I'll explain give you now. Hey, Don Prince Akana. Et Don Prince Ese, she herself no know as I tell see Papa Samuel. She know, as I'm telling you now, Papa Samuel are 2 children, and Mama and Papa they under my custody. Now they hear me so. So I say, if you know what is good for you, go and settle with your family now, because your 2 children they under my custody. This man they under my custody. Your papa they under my custody. Your mama they under my custody. You just say you are finished. They are under my custody. If I say me they talk, they'll talk. If I say me they not talk, they not talk. I say when you hear your 2 children are under my custody. This your ex-husband is under my custody. Your papa, your mama, they are under my custody. I don't want to play your pa, your ma voice. Do you hear me so? So get out of me say your family they under my custody. Ogwog be fraka. I see they pity you. I see the pity. If I want to fuck you up, I'll say your nakedness, go give your pa your ma. Your nakedness, I'll say I go give your pa your ma. But I never reach that level. You get where they wait. If you not stop to the saga, this DJ and his wife. If you not stop to the, he saw there for live video. If you not stop, what I will do you, nobody will beg me. No, your own will worse past your godfather. Oh. Your godfather, no, he want me to expose you. No, let me cafe pretend. I say you never see what they happen. So get that man say, if you not stop that saga, that mumu saga where you do with DJ and his wife, get that man say, I'll fuck you for this cyber space. More fuck you up, more boto, play. Everybody will see your nakedness. I will share them. I will share them. Not be like they tell you, I will share. Not this how they play. Oh. Everything there with me. Oh. See, may I show you some more? Not this how they play. See, I say, look your breast way. May not this how they play. You see your breast. You see your breast. You see your breast. May I quick cover her. You see your breast on ground. Not follow me play. Oh, I say, I quick cover her. Don't play with me, oh. I say to show, don't play with me, oh. You hear me so? Don't play with me. If I see say you see the saga those family again, you go hey, you'll regret your life. You'll regret your life. You hear me so? If I see and say you all of the way they on the one right here, Mona go tell her say he should lead those family not get what they do. He just they disturb those family for nothing sake. You hear me so? He they disturb those family for nothing sake. So don't play with me and say I not be your regular people that they follow do saga. Oh. My own saga they different though. I know they use like do saga. Oh. Right from time they told that it's not play. I know they use that is why you say they go swear for me and the way they swear for all this presenter. You know they hear me so? I know they use like do saga. If I they do saga, I they confirm. I know be a months away more than 40 years juju. Now they don't swear for her because of lie with they do saga. I they confirm oh. So if I see say you don't want take, you see they do zuo. You they continue the saga this DJ and his wife. You will see what I'll do for this social media. Everybody go see your tutu. Everybody go see your breast, your one long past one. Everybody go see your breast, see everything they had. Everybody go see. Me will see say whether all this fake account, tell fake account and here post a little here. It will be shame to your everlasting shame. If now some people now waiting your things were there with me. Now some people come my inbox. Me can see people they write me every day. Say Don Prince, I want see her. I see the pity you so much more. I see get more pity mind. You hear me so? Leave those people alone. So if you leave them alone. Because right now, your two children, they under my custody. Your husband, they under my custody. Your ex-husband. Your mama, your papa, they under my custody. You see, say, imu horrible. When at your horrible, imu horrible. Oh, you don't get sense. It's hard time. You have to use your social media to do good things. And see your godfather, they not can help you. They not. Oh, it is a game. Almost of his saga me the Chris. Almost of his saga me. Just I be like the rest people where they give a content with the saga. Why maybe a saga? I not be like the rest presenter where be say every day they must give a something that is saga there. Don Prince. I maybe Don Prince. Mona put na down where. I be like the rest presenter. We be say not get shame. And this multi they are this don't fall out. See, Ese talk show. You thank God say you don't come here. Me they tell you now, Ese, I know the joke. You hear they tell you. Leave those family alone. Leave them alone. You are disturbing those family. There's something they, when you even bring your ass come and they never send you, something they do their own. What you going here? Who you going here? Now you want to chop national disgrace because of all those family. So if not maybe you leave those family, I will stop and leave you. If they ever tell us so, leave DJ and your wife alone. I will stop and leave you, otherwise you will come to regret. You hear me so? You will come to regret. You say me I share the bekus. You say me I share your, me I share. You dey say me I share. When they ekwe move. Okay, me I share the video. Me for see evidence. Me I share the video. Me I share the video. Now they say they look for evidence. Don't worry. If you know say if you know the fear, continue the saga there again now. The saga there again. Since what they tell you here, not the entire your ear. So you say they look for national disgrace. Where be said they share your bread, they share your toto follow everywhere they go. You see now you define. Not be play.
9, 3, 5, 1, 1, 5, 4.
Spiritual.
What up? What go on? Nimo last speaker. Where the last speaker? Okay, go on. Or last speaker then go on.
That's the spiritual.
What up?
Hello.
Hello, yeah, Nuta.
Hey, DJ Chris Ogwan, that is the spiritual.
Me wait to ato. My beg been an igbina no wana.
Jesus.
Etegbe wo we me avie mi yala dia.
The reason why I call, like me, I not be bad person. I greet all the priest fans. Now God will bless you now. Now DJ Chris.
This na the DJ where they follow the fact be this. He and the wife.
Me, I know they pay you for if I heard the entire so now my wife they tell me say they online. Maybe no. And yesterday I watched you later, so I can't go sleep. So me now I they see you online.
Yeah.
I not be bad person. I need his son phone number. I beg. I want to adopt that boy. Waiting stepfather not fit do for. I want me to do for that boy. I want to take off the boy. If that boy so, if he go back to Benin, he go stay. I will give him my house to go stay. If he not fit go back to Benin, I want to register him for school. I want to make the boy a good person in the society.
Okay.
I want to. The story of that boy, they touch me.
Okay, you want sponsor the picking. You want sponsor the picking?
I want sponsor. I beg. You need the number. Get true to God. Don Prince. If I don't want to use the number for him, I don't want to use the number for anything.
Okay.
Only sponsor.
Oh, well, I'll send that for you after the live video. I'll send that for you.
Okay. Hey, enough for couple to saga, man.
No, don't worry. I'll send the live video for you. But
if I not feel to take care of that boy, say maybe I want your collect video, man, you got to do Karika show. Carry me, come at me, you saga me.
No,
that
no.
was I want to register for anything they want to. I want to register that boy. I want to take care of that boy now.
okay. Thank you, my brother. Wow, God bless you, my brother. Una hear no talk because the boy they suffer now. Yeah.
The boy they suffer. I not feel leave that boy when he suffer. Since his mama they because the video when I watched they did they tell me mama say one they go the naked, go the awaiting trial. Why are naked the young way but no let me kusu well at you. Imagine. You know the story of your mother.
Say one go naked they swear for the picking. Imagine.
Because of 1-3-1-2. One that they collect for this year fabric, this fabric and when it's there by the carry, you say I don't finish. Eh? Because of 1-3-1-2 one that they collect. Eh? You and this one boy. And they use this they do carry cash show for social media. Say one go they lay cause of innocent picking. Give me that boy. I'll change your life.
No problem. I'll send the number for you.
I need the number. I want to take care of that boy and I want to take care of my concern.
No problem.
I'll be the boy not get mama again. I want to use my wife to do mama. You know, can wipe for more target.
No problem.
Show me, you know, can that starting from today, any case one you go to your honey. Make it enjoy life.
No problem, my brother. God bless you. I'll send that for you.
Just send me the number. I want the boy.
No
Maybe
shaking.
my son.
No problem. I might continue. They wash me. Okay now. Okay now. I say me they wash me. I they live here. They wash. Continue. After the live show, I'll send you the boy number. So that I'll call the boy. Tell her say, Percy, they will want the take off. One sponsor. No problem. Since the mama say he want go nick a swear for the boy. Picky will use your to born. Because you get the money when take off the boy. You say you want go swear for her. It's not good. It's not. It does not make sense. It don't make sense. You understand me? If you are the boy, get problem. You get godfather. You know, because godfather only don't even remember one even. They now have a life story. The day we enter that one story, but they go tell now. The day we go enter Oshodi. Now Oshodi they say, but Oshodi never born the pikin. Oshodi family. Oshodi you got like Oshodi. Yeah, do it so tall. Almost what? Not be Oshodi daughter born for you. Oshodi daughter. I thought they hear the rumors they go. My informer they are walking. Then you have a two-area, it go be like fame. Now Oshodi. Oshodi or Ben Frank. What Ben in Nigeria? If my informant are walking, that is why I pay. They pay. Just that no, they know my value. Don't know my value. They pay money to they expose all these evil presenters. Now I see the post me for my. Now my God will post me for now. Now we know they regard me. Now we know they regard me. My God will post me for now. We know they regard me. Those one where they regard me. Now God will bless you now. I will spend money, spend everything. Till they expose all these presenter. Now this is not play. Now me know they get money for social media. Now me see they spend money to investigate all these people. Now I say I know they try. All of them come out and say they be big boy, they be big woman, that they live, Don Prince. You are not trying, you not get money. Now me go spend my money, they do investigation. Now they see life. Now they see life. Who come big pass now? As Monica say una say na Monica na big for where they go. One get him because he knows he knows say Don Prince. He know the way I dey. Monica know me pass all of una. He knows I get principle. Now they look me say Don Prince don't know what more echo better. No say Don Prince have principle. Now don't know me. Let's continue. I don't want to call the brag. You know, bless I the brag. Let's continue. Yeah, we dey just now. More play the voice, the picking voice call. More me mama fait to finish. Me mama fait to finish. Before we can play the picking.
Please do so. Oh, please don't know what he do for me. For he made it this Samuel, I can't get it belly. As I get this one belly, so when my belly can reach 8 months, man, I relax. I said, what did Don Prince do? So Don Prince don't know what he do for me. For he made it they saga me, but he don't know what he do for me. But I said make her quiet because I'm born for the family. This whatever they told my husband know all these things. The person where John Papa Samuel beat Vincent, what it call happen? I get this Samuel Bele. My Bele day na 8 months. You know, so when Bele don't reach 8 months, you go meet your mama, so that you now your mama ask, now you will for born. You understand? And your mama will come take care of you. So that day, my Bele day 8 months. I know they go hospital. Now native medicine. Now they take. These 2 children are not born there for hospital. Are not registered for hospital. Now ask her for born there. Money not there. Money not there. As I get this boy belle, my belle don't complete 8 months. I can't go. My mama go carry me. My mama go carry me. for Papa Samuel house. He come carry me go house. I call the shut my waist to labor. And where it's not be, I use one month till labor. I use one month till labor. So my mama come, they come quick. My mama, maybe I say na my landlady. Now I call my mama say, come oh your pikin. The way they do the no, another one come run. He come carry me. My mama come carry me come out. I spent 2 weeks for my mama house. Labor no come. So my mama come carry me go somewhere. Now my mama come tell me that the somewhere for what did they call this? Kena now for born my first son. So when I got reach here, now the woman come to say very soon I go soon born. Maybe like 3 weeks from now I go born. That's okay. Then I go pass there, go Papa Samuel house. May I go pack baby things for their sister, my mama house. I want for born. So I come go that night. Now I take come out, go Papa Samuel house. I want go pack my things. As I reach here, I go say, okay, now I don't reach, make I sleep there till daybreak. The next morning, I go pack my baby things, go my mama house. Now I go to prepare for my delivery. As I go reach here, I go ask Ige, the one where Papa Samuel, senior direct, so where Joe Papa Samuel beat Vincent, say what he do to me, he not good. Say I senior brother wife, he go to do that kind of thing. This time mama, this time Papa, I born them all. So I can't sleep. Now I go and say, hey, Ige, how about this? Where Papa Samuel? He said Papa Samuel go bury her. Papa Samuel go bury her. I say yes. I said okay, because he not tell me. So now it's okay. May I pass a night for that place? The next I'll pack my baby things. Now they come out. The reason why I take confidence sleep for that house because the same boy so don't join Papa Samuel beat Vincent where the one do that useless thing where they suck my breast. He do and that was I was so confident because I believe say that boy ain't gonna back no fee do that kind of thing. So I can't sleep for bed. As I can't sleep with my belly don't dey 9 months. 9 months, but 3 weeks to born. Now I can't remain. So as I just dey sleep, I can't see say, Percy cleared me. He cleared me. He get back, cleared me. He get back, cleared me. As he cleared me, he dey use am touch me. So now me myself call the touch am. Me come to say na Papa Samuel. Papa Samuel not dey carry hair. He get back dey carry hair. He dey carry hair. So when I go do I go touch his hair. Now quick get up and hold that. He gay because our house na outside door. He dey outside. The owner of the house na passengers na the day. They go cut our own house come outside. He gay. Jesus. This one I talk. My belly dey 9 months. This one Papa Samuel, the man where I born for, the one where he seen on direct, clear me. I wish I know wear sleep because I dey wear clothes dey sleep because not be let me one day the house. Now I shout. He get back. Jesus. Which kind of family be this? Now he get up. Now come run, come outside. He come dey beg me. Now I come run. I come go knock. EJ. This one I talk landlord, the landlady. EJ. Oh no, what's no? I say, yeah, Kiro. Mommy, man, they speak English. Mommy, open door. EJ, open door. Now EJ come open door. What's no? I say, yeah. He give me back. Or take for room, eh? EJ, man. Wow. I cannot say 4 months and 9 months in there. Bella we don't reach 9 months. J. This one where they talk so. EJ can go wait. What did they call it? Grand Pikin? Oh, I don't forget the Pikin name. That Pikin so. His mama there abroad there that time. Now that one can go call that one. Now EJ call. EJ call they use broom. they beat Igini back, which is Papa Samuel, brother. He called the use broom beater. You be wish as your woman, your brother wear belle with all this 9 months. Now you want to do vaga. He just called the use broom, they beat her. I can't they cry. The father no, as he then lead down, God was so kind. As he lead down, Papa Samuel just waka come for bury away, go early morning. He called me to brother for lead down. Now I say, what he happen? I said, ask your brother. Now I said, ask your brother. I said, go ask your brother. I said, Papa Samuel put air for ground. Now I say, what you not the fight for my body? The last born doing the pursue. You even Jamie beat her. Now you can't. Now you can't do the worst. This time around, I can't go Lagos Street, go meet his senior brother. That time, senior brother never do anything that time.
May I explain what they try to talk? My people, may I explain what they try to talk here? He say he husband brothers when one be one naka when you one get belle. After the belle does reach 9 months, another one be one see naka again. I will tell you when I treat the talk whether those people not in naka. I will not know. But unless they talk now say I brought this muscle say brothers. Then they try one naka. So the question when me they tell you when they want to try knock you, did you tell your husband? Vanessa said you. Did you tell your husband? Ese tosho, so agbene nyao. Did you tell your husband say he junior ones they want to try and knock you because your toto na re. Did you tell your husband about all this that they wanted to knock you? Oh, for the year they go maybe talk here. Never know. Move for the year. When are the list they go?
This time around, I can't go Lagos Street, go meet his senior brother. That time, senior brother never still do anything that time. Never do rubbish. I can't do the Papa come from village. Never come. As I dey Lagos Street, I can't begin to bleed. Pele do day 8-9 months, but na end of the month. Now I want a bone. I can't begin to bleed. Mama in my way, I'm not going to make sure in there again. May I so rest in peace. Mama in my, if children did this abroad. Mama in my can say, may they carry this girl go hospital.
In case una they forget, now last story that she they told so. A last story. Now me ginger and me to bring this last story come out. The last story where they had for a very long time. The priest have to ginger am so that he go tell us a last story. So more than they listen to a last story. Now last story, now they list is so. More than list it good.
Don't they bleed? It don't they bleed because that's with the forbidden. Bini we go be Bini with the forbidden. But they not the forbidden for their village. For their village now, as it be now so. If he die now, I wish Papa Samuel put money for my head. If he Papa Samuel die now, his junior brother will take over me.
Ijo.
My enemy. That's what their tradition be for village.
Which care village be that one? Where husband go back, his brother go carry on. Which village be that one? I see. What that's so no na. Which man you marry? Now some man you marry? I been a Kogi man. Papa Samuel, if you back, the toto what you don't do, your brother will carry on. I go saga Papa Samuel. If not true, they talk. Me again, I told it better. And I told it. Papa Samuel, this guy they lie this I do. He say your family, if you marry her now, say you back, your junior brother start to chop the toto. That means your junior brother don't fit carry your woman. Your junior brother, your senior brother, they don't fit carry their woman. So una they wait, me una brother feel back, una go carry their wife. Although tradition, anywhere for the happen, they thunder fire that tradition. Any tradition will be like that. Will be say, if na not take time, so poor people will did that family will never get husband, will not get wife. You go to pray me, you quit die. Oh. You say once you die, now you thought to chop your wife. Say true, that is true, is happening. Which state if they happen? Not because they tell me what and they lack evidence. Now maybe evidence master. If you know say they happen, measure the state. May I saga that state? Which state if they happen? Can you measure the state? If you say it's true, measure the state. Which state if they happen? Measure one state. May I know the state where for the happen? Not tell me say it's truth. Without able to hear it's truth. It's truthful everywhere. It's truth. It's full everywhere. Tell all the state where for the happen. I want to hear the state. Because my own state, I don't see where for the happen for Edo State. For Edo State, I don't know where for the happen. You go the right in me. Where you be mercy? Ese, which state your husband for come? Ese Tosho, tell us which state your husband for come. Igbo de douan. Igbo de douan. You tell me where for Igbo. Igbo de douan. Please tell me where for Igbo land. Where they douan. Because not be all Igbo de douan.
Leave from my head. I can't they bleed. Now Papa can't come back from village. As he can't come back, he can't quit. This somewhere, he go for don't die.
Nothing will kill that boy.
Don't die. So maybe I say Papa can't come from village. He can't do cantation. Say because the thing now forbidden thing. He can't go down and say your brother never die. You want to take over your wife because it's now normal for their village. If it depends, if you marry, if their brother die, if the person die, their brother will take over the wife. I say be for their village. They don't know say na Bini that he marry come. I cry. This time around, I reach where my mama dey. I know if you talk my mama. After they don't do the incantation finish, now I come back my teeth. I can't go my mama house. I reach my mama house. I know if you tell my mama, wait till I see. Whether if I tell them, they will still pursue me. I was there.
Man, claim my ear man for the year world way.
Another person. We have to go born for Kena, for Benin here. Picky head not Greek come outside. This Samuel so he head not Greek come outside. The woman try. Say, what did they happen? I go push. What did they happen? Because now ask her for born. Because a boy, I be Jamaica. A boyanga was so don't look like boyanga. Do you have to go born our family ask now for born? Only you go where I push. Picking not grip come outside. Now that my eta is a shrine. Making know what did they happen. Now dear. Now my mama for no wetin happen to me wey I no fit tell my mama. This one why they talk so. Now they say make my mama go buy tortoise. Make my mama go buy this. Make my mama go buy this one. Make my mama begin the run scatter. This one why they talk so. I dey labor na be small thing. After they don't do and finish, the woman come piece for cup, come back. After they don't do the incantation finish, I can't push. As I can't push, this thing not fall. That's where they follow Piki coming back. It not fall. It just stay there for good 30 minutes. Now the woman rush, go piece for bucket, for cup, pass out, put. He closed my mouth. He said, I open my mouth. I open my mouth, I put. Before we know the tea, boom, I put it in a twist sabon. I believe say if I'm not born for where my mama dey, my name for buy with the secret with me. I started to born this my first son. As I born my first son finish.
Ese.
My mama still push me.
May I quick show your breast more. You don't over the talk too much. May I still show your breast more. Small. May I still see your breast more. When I quick see for 2 minutes. May I quick lock again. Just 2 minutes. When I look the breast for 2 minutes, this one a small one. I'll try to go eh? I'm not going to prison who wake corner. Don't prison that corner. They watch you. You walk over the breast. Let me day. Who you take with them when anyway? So when I don't see her, when I not screenshot her, when I not screenshot before the screenshot, they say get quick boy. You quick boy. You screenshot a baba. You quick boy. Ese, ou bien que kuye gboa ne. Il veut kuye gboa. Ese, il veut kuye gboa. I just give the 2 minutes, mais the queen endurance. If I hear pen, he's on say yakwa. He's on say yakwa. Moi Don Prince. Moi Don Prince. So what you have to do, you see this DJ family. You better you leave them alone. Face another saga. Otherwise, me and you, I will buy that saga. You see this saga? I buy it. You know, say anybody where I join, it always the win. Say, Tocho. Say anybody where I join, you know, say they always the win. Oh, you know, na maybe Don Prince. You know. So I dey tell you now, if you know what is good, your old papa, where you call your papa, fear no later look my eye. Now so don't pretend give that. I don't want to talk to Don Prince. I don't want to give him a level. I know your which level you want give me. He dey fear me. You hear me so? He dey fear me. He dey fear Don Prince. Confirm. Even on back Kevin know. Ogbogbe. Asunwa. Ya mi saga ya le. Man, if you see saga, you go eh. If I enter, oh, I know if you can talk. What are they listening?
Amapama will go why. One picking not go for one ask my born journal. That's a born. This is why they thought the marriage already tire me. Now by force, because I not get where I want to stay. I not get where I want to sleep. This is why they thought so now Lagos I dey stay. Papa not the Lagos, mama not the Lagos. I call the manager. But if I just sit there, I just sit there, say I just see animal like I want chop the raw. Like I don't see. When we call reach Lagos, everybody don't do on their own. If they come, my house, I dey pursue them. Because if I think here with the prison talk and say that so fat and they fight their brother. Because the thing they shop, if I they sit there, they remember the past. The thing go they follow me, the thing go they chop me. Now so fat oh. Now see, I say now with the rank blow. When I they talk and say that so fat, no not believe me. Then let me talk to beast. Because I don't want to talk because I don't bomb put. I don't bomb put, I don't want to talk. I keep quiet. I decide the marriage. The marriage don't tire me. But we are will do. If I go my mama will pursue me. But the marriage don't tire me. God won't come punish her. He won't carry a woman. If there's another because we want to do, he can't say I go in village. No, he can't carry my children, he can't deceive me. Say my pikin won't go do age group. He go say, I know, say, now make her the. I was like, Ije one not the young mom. Now make her the tell you, say, Don Prince, God go bless you. Because the reason why I don't want to talk, that be that one. The thing they shock me. The best say I born for the family. I don't want to, but now I am.
Before you they say Don Prince, God go bless you. You know as I take dig get out your family. You know. You just gonna play. You don't they say Don Prince, God go bless you. You just say easy. Don't be play oh. Don Prince, God go bless you. It is easy. If na police are there now, this is job well done. It doesn't be police. My oga forgive me level. Say I can't suspect. Now you are telling me say Don Prince, thank you, you try. If na police I be now, your oga pata for police, you go they tell me say Don Prince, you try. They go give me another rank. Because I go investigation, I succeed. But for social media, now view now they look. Because say 5,000 people know they watch me now, 2,000 people know they watch me. Now they look, now they rate. Now they rate people where they rework, where they disgrace all these presenters. You think it's easy to disgrace presenters? Presenters not get shame. You see all these presenters, they not get shame. Before you come stand, say you want to beat presenter, this is easy. It's not easy, oh. Not be play because now they beat people. So before you come to beat presenter come to confess. They confess a life story. They give everybody. Well, you just not play. Not be play, oh. Not they losing us not play. For presenter Come they tell you a last story. They tell you say Don Prince, if they lead down, they beg me say thank you. He never lead down for a godfather one day, but he lead down for Don Prince. In your saver, not be play, oh. Not be play. And I still get friend pass for this social media. If you talk about colleague, I still get colleague as friend. Forget say the friend. Nah, the friend what they do for social media. I don't know how to talk. Go and check. None of them get friends like that. All of them are enemy everywhere. Because they don't trust themselves. They don't trust themselves. That is why you see say enemy everywhere. No trust. Are they listening?
Don't break their leg. Make we talk. You understand me so? Three brothers. If not be say I be woman well know himself. That's why for the open left for all their brothers. I call they sit there like animal. Say, brother, whether or not they forbid anything. I know sabi dog because they know that now papa and my family let me do not. If you see me, I be like animal, I be beast. Tell me, they're not even these people. When the matter don't pass, it don't reach how many years. I see the fact that these people go now Grace Embassy. Now all of us they go. Now Grace Embassy now for baptize. The certificate they with the Papa Samu. I did that village for there. I did Grace Embassy for there. No, what happen? Anytime when they tell me wear suits. What did they pay me pass, eh? Now that they do it for pass, and now that they kabash pass. If you see the way all these people they speak in tongues, now that they get all this Pastor Chris, now they be usher, like they go stand like this, they be usher, they go stand. Now that one like they pay me pass. One day they just dress with suit. But the visit will be do the first one with the second. They dress with suit. Then they go church. They won't go stand. Now then they start with them Pastor Chris and Kilome. They stand like this. The thing as they all dress that they wear suit. Suit as they all wear. My belly called they below me. Now say, see all these people wear suit now. They go stand, they do usher. But they don't know what all these people are capable of doing. The thing they chop me as they don't wear suit. They don't carry Bible. As they use they go. I don't allow them reach one poto, one big. This is where poto you gather for there. Now you also use bucket. Pack the poto now, pour for their body. Because why? If they say that they kabash, then they pray. And I know what you wanna do. The thing they vex me, I know if they do bad, they put God in verse. You know what I do? I dey find way to go take pastor. Say, see what all these people do. They need deliverance before they begin to stand. They do usher. I swear. If I say sit there, they sit there. Ask her. Thank God say, he don't use the man talk and say, that's how they fight all his brothers. But he don't talk more. What it cause her? And they fight them because not waiting to make me they fight them. Not you. If I remember the past, now so fight that they fight them. I know they let them drink water put off for ground. I was abusing marriage. Yes. Papa Samuel, opportunity I want to do and say my quiet because of my children. The sis is where you wear me here. Tell them all. Don Prince, I'm not vex for you. If not because of you, I beg, say all that record go give a no give. Now go whoa. May not say my papa, me. But you go there and no get ya toge. Una yera for this papa sa mama say.
Now the yera, he say he papa they lie well. He say because of the money where he papa no give he papa, that make he papa they lie. This is a pikin where they insult the papa. In life, wait till they pray for life. Say, more no use our prick or our toto. Take bon pikin. We will come they insult us. This is the prayer. Any man wey born for this life, if he kick on the insult am, the man fail. The man fail woefully. The man fail woefully. So I say, father, you fail woefully. For your daughter to be insulting you in public, it mean you fail. Mama join international, even not mama wato. Eh? It's a shame. Insulting your father, your parents in public. Now listen well.
Don Prince, I not vex for you. If na because of you, I beg, say all that record go give a no give. La go go. Me no say my papa, oh get bon, oh get me. But you go there and no get generame. Era ya toge. Una yera for this papa and mama say, my papa not dey pay my school fees.